In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show seconds on Windows 11 clock. If you've ever needed precise timing for work, troubleshooting, or just personal preference, having the seconds visible on your taskbar clock can be surprisingly helpful. Let's walk through it together in a clear, simple way, and I'll point out a few things to look for as we go. First, open the Start menu, then click Settings. This takes you into the main hub where Windows keeps most system controls. We're heading to the time-related options next, so once Settings opens, look for the section labeled Time and Language. Click that to open a focused view of everything related to your clock, date, and regional settings. Inside Time and Language, select Date and Time. This is where Windows 11 lets you manage time zones, automatic time adjustment, and, importantly for us, how the clock appears on your system tray. Scroll down the Date and Time page until you find a section called Show Time in the notification area. The notification area is the portion of your taskbar near the clock, also called the system tray, where small icons live, like your network or sound indicators. Within that section, look for the option labeled Show Seconds in System Tray Clock. Turn this setting on. The moment you enable it, Windows will start rendering the clock with hours, minutes, and now the running seconds. There's no need to restart or apply anything else. The change is immediate. Now take a glance at the taskbar clock in the bottom right corner of your screen. You should see the seconds ticking forward in real time. This is your confirmation that the setting is active. If you don't notice a change right away, give it a second or two, or hover your cursor over the area to make sure you're looking at the correct clock display. A quick tip: showing seconds updates your taskbar every second, which is slightly more demanding than updating once per minute. On most modern PCs, the impact is tiny, but on very power-conscious setups, you might prefer to keep it off when you're away from a charger. If you ever change your mind, simply return to the same toggle and turn it off. And that's all there is to it. You've just enabled seconds on the Windows 11 clock using the built-in settings, with no extra tools required. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the added precision on your taskbar time.